30 years is an absolute eternity in the world of skincare. Yet somehow this little green tin still sits on the top shelf of almost every shop you walk into. Most people just grab whatever the artist hands them without a second thought. But I was curious to find out if this specific kit has actually earned its veteran status, or if it's just coasting on a legacy that started before some of you were even born. The core of this system is actually surprisingly smart because it treats your healing skin like a moving target. It handles the process in three distinct chapters because your skin behaves differently on day 2 than it does on day 10. You start with a specialized antimicrobial soap to keep things sterile without being overly harsh. Then you move into a natural balm formulated with olive oil and beeswax. This creates a breathable protective barrier while the wound is still fresh and angry. Finally, you transition to a vitamin-rich lotion when the dreaded itching and scabbing begins. Most people try to wing it with a single product for the entire month. That's a massive mistake. Your skin needs different tools at different times. Fresh ink is essentially a medical-grade scrape. It needs a shield first, and then it needs deep hydration later on. One of the biggest wins reported by long-term users is the lack of greasy residue. Nobody wants their expensive new sleeves sticking to their bed sheets or staining their favorite silk shirt. This kit seems to focus heavily on color retention and minimal peeling. Those are the two things we all obsess over the most when we leave the studio. Now, there's a bit of a controversial ingredient hiding in the fine print that we need to talk about. The soap and lotion both contain a preservative that releases tiny amounts of formaldehyde. That sounds like a scary headline from a horror movie. In reality, the cosmetic industry uses it frequently to keep products shelf stable. It's kept at a very low concentration of under 0.5%. For the vast majority of people, this is a total non-issue. However, if you have super sensitive skin or a known allergy to those specific preservatives, you should definitely double check that label before you start lathering up. It's all about knowing your own body. There's also a practical warning about the packaging that keeps popping up in recent reviews. Quite a few people have reported that the soap bottle tends to leak during shipping. If you don't want to open a box of soapy mess, your best bet's probably just picking it up at a local big box retailer or pharmacy instead of ordering it online. At the end of the day, there's a reason some things become classics. It's petroleum-free, which is great because heavy petroleum products can often clog your pores and trap heat. This formula is dermatologist tested and it follows the actual biology of how your body repairs itself. It's not the flashiest option on the market anymore. There are plenty of new brands with prettier labels and bigger marketing budgets. But for a no-drama, reliable result that's been tested on millions of tattoos since the 90s, it's still incredibly hard to beat. Sometimes the old guard stays in power because they actually know what they're doing. Trusting a 30-year track record is a pretty safe bet for anyone looking to keep their ink looking sharp and vibrant for the long haul.